Sanibonani, welcome to isiZulu Conversational presentation by yours truly, Miss Ndo. So guys, today I wanted us to look at the vocabulary or words that you can use when you are going to a hair salon or a barber shop. But here in South Africa, most of the time we call it a hair salon. Okay, so words that you can use is izinwele. You might have come across this word when we're doing body parts. So izinwele, it's your hair. Ukugunda izinwele means to cut hair. Ikama, it's your comb. Isikelo, scissors. Ibhulashi, brush. Umfakisicelo or ikhasimende, that's your customer. Umsebenzi, that's someone who's offering a service who works at the salon. Ukucela istayela is to ask for a style. You will notice that some of our words sound similar to English. It is because it's borrowed noun. They are borrowed from English or other figures of speech. Okay, moving along to a dialogue that or a way you can converse to someone who's working in a salon. Okay, sawubona, ngicela ukugunda izinwele zami. Umsebenzi wasesaluni. Sawubona, ungathanda isitayela esinjani? Ngicela isitayela esifishane futhi esihlanzekile. Kulungile, ngizokwenza lokho manje. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. So that is where you are asking for short, neat hair, and she's saying definitely you will get what you are looking for. Okay, let's say you want to courier some things. Let's say you want to courier some things. You're going to a post office or you are going to a courier service. So these are some of the words that you can use. Iphasela, that's your parcel or a package. So as you'll hear, it sounds similar to English. It is because it's also a borrowed noun. Ukuthumela means to send. Ukuthola is to collect. Iposi, it's post or mail. Ikheli, it's your address. Incwadi, letter. Ikhadi leposi, it's your postcard. Inombolo yokulandela, that is your tracking number. But in most cases, I don't want to lie, as much as we have these Zulu words, in most cases we just say a tracking number to Zuluize it, a postcard, and so forth. But others, we just say, like for example, a letter, that we say incwadi, your address, ikheli. Okay. Now let's look at the conversation or how you can converse when going to send your package or post your postcard or letter. Okay, let's say wena ngicela ukuthumela iphasela eDurban. Umsebenzi weposi, ngicela ikhadi lakho lokuqinisekisa nokuthi ingakanani imali ozoyikhokha. So guys, ikhadi lokuqinisekisa could be your driver's license or your ID. Nansi imali nekhadi lami lingu 123 456 789. This is just an example. Obviously, you won't be using these numbers. Kulungile, kucela ungiphe ikheli othumela kulona. Number 22, Dollar Road, Pinetown, 1716. Ngizothumela inamba yokulandela. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. So they always give you a tracking number as no, and they always require your ID and an address. Okay. Now let's have a look at when you are receiving the parcel. You're no longer sending it, but you are receiving it. Amagama or words, vocabulary that you can use. Iphasela, that's your parcel. Ukulethwa, it's delivery. Ikheli, address. Inombolo ye-order, that's your order number. Isithunywa, that's your courier or delivery person. Ukusayina means to sign. Ukubonga is to thank the person. Isaziso sokulethwa, delivery notice. ukucela umazisi is to request an ID. So they usually request an ID, or say you must produce your ID as proof for them to see that it is really you. Okay, let's have a look at how you can actually converse when receiving a parcel. Sawubona, ngilethe iphasela likaNontobeko zakho. Sawubona, yebo bengilindele iphasela. Livela kuphi? Livela kwaTakealot. Ngicela ubhale igama lakho bese usayina lapha. Kulungile. Nanku umazisi wami, ngiyasayina manje. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Nali iphasela lakho. Ngiyabonga. Uhambe kahle. So guys, this is how you can actually have a conversation. It could be from any delivery company or any delivery services. It doesn't actually mean Takealot. This is just an example of how you can actually interact or communicate when they are delivering your parcel. And don't forget to be polite, greet, and always thank someone that is delivering to show humanity, to show respect and kindness. Ngiyabonga kakhulu guys. Nisale kahle. I will see you on our next lesson. Bye.